Dancing peacock. Have you seen a peacock dancing in its full glory? Isn't it a beautiful sight? Let us make this colorful peacock together. You will need sketch pens, glue, pink, green and purple marble paper, white card paper, googly eyes. Fold the purple paper like an accordion. Apply glue and paste the edges to make a fan. Fold the pink and green papers in the same way. Draw an outline of the peacock's body on the card paper and cut it out. Add details like eyes and feathers with sketch pens. You may also use the googly eyes provided. Apply glue to the outer edges of the purple fan and paste it on the frame. Paste the green fan a little lower and then the pink fan. Paste the body of the peacock and draw the legs with a sketch pen. The peacock is now ready to dance in the rain.